It's a new 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Intercooled turbo i6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.